Well, Kobe's driving me to work today. You gotta look at the road, dude. If you're gonna drive, you better keep your eyes on the road. He decided the passenger seat wasn't good enough for him. What a doofus. Start of another harvest day. Last couple days since you last saw us, we have been cutting soybeans, planting wheat, kind of double duty this time of year. We got to have two things going on, kind of helter-skelter around here, and so haven't filmed much the last 2-3 days. But we're definitely over halfway with soybeans now. We're probably in the final stretch of soybeans. And then it'll be moving on to milo. And then we're almost done drilling wheat. This should be the last day of drilling wheat, if everything goes well. So I just got to the farm here this morning. I think Nathan and Dad are over working on the combines, getting them ready to go. I'm gonna go pick up some more fertilizer, and Kendall is working with cattle, getting them fed and getting them taken care of. So everybody's got their task this morning. Hopefully it'll be a good day. All right, we are back with a full load of fertilizer, and I'm going to put a little bit more seed wheat in here. I think the fertilizer is full in the drill, but we need some more seed in the front tank. So on to the seed wheat trailers. It's kind of a thing here in central Kansas to have some sketchy, janky looking seed wheat trailers. We got our super sweet feeds trailer here. We got this dump trailer here that raises up to dump. We already cleaned that one out, but the super sweet feeds still got some in it. So we're gonna fire up the M7 here and put some wheat in. Kobe's gonna think he'll have to jump up in here with me. I'm not going anywhere. All right, if you insist. All right, we're gonna back this trailer right up to the auger there. Kind of hard to see through the window. All right, I just got to back it up a few feet here, but the auger comes down, and then I'll run the hydraulic. That'll turn on the auger, and then it'll empty seed out of the bottom and out the auger. Seed wheat trailer put away. Now I'm gonna fold up the auger on this air seeder and we'll head to the field. All right, we are out here in this big pivot field that you saw us combine in the last video. This is one of our biggest fields. It's over 200 acres, and if you count the wheat that's already planted north of place there, it's about 300 acres. So this field kind of goes on and on forever. All right, we've gotten 50 acres done. I've got a row plugged on the drill here, so I'm going to check it out. It was row 53. Thankfully, the Great Plains drill has blockage monitors, which tells us if something gets blocked in one of these air hoses. So the way this air seeder works is these tanks are full of seed and fertilizer, and there's hoses. There's a fan that blows the seed through the hoses to each one of these row units that plants the seed. And if something gets stuck in those hoses, like a big piece of fertilizer, then it won't flow through there and it's not planting anything. So let's check out row 53, see if we can find something. All right, first thing I do is I come here to where the hose plugs in, and there's no air coming out of it. So that means that the plug is farther up somewhere. So I'll plug that back in, and then I'll trace the hose up here. Here's 53. Try pulling that out. I don't know if you guys can see it. There was a big old piece of fertilizer in there. So we got that knocked out. All right, I am on my way from the field I was drilling to the field that we are harvesting. I'm gonna switch off with Kendall so he can go home and feed cattle, and then he'll probably drill a little longer into the night. But that's why we're switching. Also, the field we're harvesting beans is closer to my house, and so this just gets each of us closer to home. I was close to his house, he's close to my house. There's a windmill crossing under the interstate here. This field we're going to is right by the interstate and right by a major highway. All right, here we are. This is a new field for us. This is our first year farming it. All right, Kaylin brought food for everybody. I already ate on the way over here. And here's some more irrigated beans. And they look pretty nice here. We'll see how they actually yield, but they sure look really nice and tall. If you're on I-135 going north or south, say hi. We're on K4 over here. out the moon. The moon is over there, and it's got some clouds in front of the bottom half. I don't know if you can tell. It looks cooler in person. Anywho, guys, we've got a phantom light happening down here. Flickers on and off. There's the moon. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the drone footage. It got dark on me really fast. I thought that I was going to fly the drone in some really cool lighting as the sun went down, and then by the time I made it around the field again, it was like almost dark. It's amazing how quickly it gets dark here in the fall. But hopefully still some cool shots there, and hope you guys enjoyed the video today. And remember to click subscribe if you have not already. That really helps us out if you can click subscribe. And also leave a comment, even if it's just something simple. That all helps our algorithms, gets us more views, and makes us a more successful YouTube channel. So we appreciate each and every one of you who leave a comment or like the video or share it with your friends. And so we appreciate all of our viewers on YouTube, and we hope you guys have a great morning or night or afternoon or whatever time of day you're watching this, and we'll see you next time.